You may not feel it, but as your body ages, there can be an accumulation of malfunctioning cells called senescence, which is likely linked to many common age-related diseases. As these impaired cells appear, they begin to release large quantities of harmful proteins, causing inflammation, tissue breakdown, and eventual worsening of underlying conditions that accelerate tissue damage and disease. Unity Biotechnology is at the forefront of developing a new class of senolytic therapeutics that take action against senescent cells, like first responders at a forest fire. When senescent cells advance like wildfire, appearing faster than the body can clear or remove them, the senolytic medicines we're working to develop could help target and eliminate or modify these cells to halt, slow, or reverse tissue damage, all while leaving healthy tissues unharmed. This novel approach could allow damaged tissue to naturally restore to a healthier state, modifying the disease. Working at the frontier of biotechnology and medicine, Unity's mission is to extend the period of one's life unburdened by disease. Visit our website for more information or follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn.